Hello there and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany. I'm so glad you stopped by. Today I decided to do a video on cleaning your home. I hope this motivates you to clean your home, and second of all, I just want to let you know that it's okay if you don't get your entire home cleaned in one day. If you suffer from a chronic illness or you have back pain or neuropathy or whatever it may be to keep you from being able to clean your house, the entire house, the whole day, that's perfectly fine. Give your body rest, do what you can do things in small steps. I live in a super tiny home, and some days I just cannot get it all cleaned in one day. As you will notice in this video, I have got on 2 different outfits because this was filmed 2 different days. I still didn't get everything done that I wanted to get done. I didn't get all of my floors mopped, and I did not get all of my rooms dusted that I wanted to get done. But that's okay. Be thankful for what you can get done, and then accept that. And what I find that helps me is if you make a list and write down each day of something that you want to accomplish and things that you get done. And even if you write down 5 goals for that day that you want to get done and you only get 2 or 3 things done, still be thankful and grateful that you got those done, and don't look at it that as negative as, oh, I didn't get everything done that I wanted to. Instead of be grateful for the things that you were able to get done. Because trust me, I know that feeling that you have is like, I didn't feel like I got anything done today. I didn't get to accomplish anything. But then when you have that list made and you can go back and look, well, I did get this done and I did get that done. And that's okay to only get those things done. Also, what I like to do is if you do different things on different days, I find it's easier to keep up with everything. Say for instance, on Monday you sweep and mop your floors. On Tuesday you dust everything. On Wednesdays you clean your mirrors and you clean your bathroom. On Thursdays you tidy up your kitchen, stove, oven, microwave, refrigerator, pantries, anything that needs to be done. Friday, you work on laundry. So try to do 1 or 2 things every day, and that way you don't feel like you get so behind. I know it's kind of frustrating because you don't seem to have your whole house clean at the same time when you do it this way, but it's a lot easier on your body and on your mind because you can think, well, I did get this done today and I got that done today, and you don't get the anxiety of, I didn't get everything done that I wanted to get done, but I did get this done and this done, and I'm thankful and happy that I was able to get that done. Then I find it's also helpful to make weekly and monthly goals, like each week, wash the bedding, wash your windows, take your shower curtain down, wash it, different things like that you don't normally do day to day. And then monthly, you can do things like wash your curtains, your blinds, clean your porch off outside if it needs it, wipe your ceiling fans down, different things like that. I hope you've enjoyed this video so far. I'll leave you to watch the rest of it without interrupting with my voice. And again, be grateful and thankful for the things that you get done. Don't beat yourself up about it if you cannot get everything done in one day. Just do your best and it'll be great.